Hello friends, I'm your host and host Astha and you're watching your favorite show WhatsApp TV. So let's start our show with all news stories and gossips. Your favorite Drishti from Madhubala recently did a photo shoot for our magazine Zinc, and let me tell you, she was looking extremely hot and sexy. Let's have a look.
I think it was a wonderful experience because after a long time I did a photo shoot, and usually we do a sari, salwar kameez photo shoot, but it was very offbeat, very fashion. I wore some clothes by this designer called Sabah Khan, and I was really impressed. Like you can see right now, it's a very every time I look at this dress, only one song comes to my mind. Oh, Womania. I don't know why. But yeah, it was really nice and I hope you guys like it. The new Drishti. It was quite an interesting interview. It'll be a nice peppy interview. You guys should read it. It's the first interview I've given, which is a little different and not regular to आप शो में क्या कर रही है, आर के आपको क्यों परेशान कर रहा है, and it's very different from that. And I even spoke about different phases of my life, or in general different phases of what a girl goes through, and it was nice because it made me think back to time and then recollecting everything and telling you guys about it. Guys, catch me on the next cover page of Zinc because it's me. To all my fans, please see the cover page and please tell me how it was. You can always tweet me. You can always get in touch with India Forums and give the feedbacks, and I'll get all the feedbacks. And I hope you like my new look.
Let's have a look at which celeb have you chosen this week by giving them your love in the form of gift and a card.
Actually, India Forum guys have been calling me since a long time to receive the gifts because it's been lying in the office since a long time. But I was very confused whether to accept it or not because मैं ये सोच रही थी कि अच्छा ये gifts तो Sharon के लिए हैं, but I'm no more Sharon. And थोड़े बहुत लोग disappointed हैं, so I don't know if they will like it, if I receive the gifts, or if they don't want me to take the gifts. I was confused and it was a little weird feeling, but then a lot of you guys messaged India Forums that no, we still want Sneha to receive the love and the gifts. So here I am just for you. Thank you so much for all the love and all the gifts, and now I'll be opening the gifts. Cute soft toy. I love soft toys. So when I'm leaving D3 and going, I think these things are going to be very, very, very special to my heart, close to my heart. Thank you. Avinash Mukherjee from Assam, thank you so much. Oh. How sweet. So he's sent me a cutter and a scissor so that I can open the gifts. Letter bhi hai. I shall read this. I'm excited to open the gift first, actually. Yes, this is very helpful. Oh, there's a very, very cute bunny. It's very cute. Thank you so much. There's a nice bouquet, which मैं अपने घर पे रखूंगी. Thank you so much, Avinash. This really means a lot to me. So this is a birthday wish, as I can see. This is from Radhika. And I'll have to see what this is. She has a small birthday note for me. Thank you, Radhika. And Avinash ka scissor will be very useful for me today. It's really very beautiful. Thank you so much, Radhika. Thanks a lot. There's no name in this. Thank you so much, whoever this. Thank you, because काफी लोग मुझे wrong size send करते हैं, and this looks like an extra small, which is my size. And I bet these are photographs from, again, the anonymous, no name. All the fans, I think, have teamed up together, and they've sent me these very cute notes, which I will definitely read each and every word, I promise. The only thing that mentioned is D3 fans. So D3 fans, thank you so much for this. This is from Sangeetha. Thank you so much. The packing is really so cute. It's Barbie सी बनी हुई है इसके ऊपर, very cute. This is also from Sangeeta, and the previous note was also from Sangeeta. Now I know who it is. So cute. This is a bracelet which I'm going to wear right away. Avinash, how many gifts have you sent? I'm upset with you. You shouldn't be sending me so many gifts. Keep some for yourself too. But yeah, thanks, Aishil. And that's why you've sent me the scissor. So many gifts. Guys, आप लोग गिफ्ट्स भेजते हैं, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है. छोटी मोटी कुछ चीज़ें भेजा करो. I mean, not such expensive gifts. I don't know how. I'm going to find your address now, Avinash. Wait and watch. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. But I don't know whether I should be keeping such an expensive gift or no. If possible, please try not to laugh at the 12 pieces cup and saucer वाला thing. बहुत मुश्किल से मिला है. अच्छा. ओह, तो ये बॉक्स किसी और चीज का है, इसमें अंदर चीज कुछ और है. Very cute. You said don't laugh, but that was my natural reaction. If I'm not a minor, neither are the gifts from my pocket money. I'm an adult, okay, so I'm getting all my answers to this question now. Okay. I'm an adult. I do a job and pay the income tax. So please don't think about vocating those trademark advice of, you know what I mean. Yes, I know what I mean now. What you mean now, Avinash. I'm also not much poetic or artistic. No, trust me, you are. When you can send me this 12 pieces cup and saucer wala thing, you're very artistic. Basically a handicap when it comes to creative stuff like the ones mentioned above. So please don't expect any painting or poem inside the box. Okay, not expecting. I would like to thank Amrita. Okay, I know Amrita from India Forum. Mansi Seth, Nandini. I would also like to thank me for accepting the gifts. Thank you so much. You've done so much of mehnat behind this, tape lagane mein especially, and yeah, the beautiful gifts and the thought behind it. So thank you so much. Avinash Mukherjee, thank you so much. I know you're an adult and you're paying income tax, so you're saved now. A case, yes, which I can put my stuff in, my camera. And there's one more cute little thing that I can see. Oh, it's extremely cute. There's a small teddy bear inside. Very cute. Nabahata Mukherjee, thank you so much. She sent me a very nice birthday card, wishing this special day to be truly wonderful for you. Thank you so much. You know, for me, ये जो चीजें आप लिख कर भेजते हो ना, ये सबसे ऊपर होती है. These are very, 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 very special. Oh, this is so nice. I love Ganesha idols, and this is absolutely beautiful. Nabahita Mukherjee, thank you so much for this beautiful Ganesha idol. I think this will definitely go into my room. Yes, thank you so much. इतने unusual names ना मैंने आज तक नहीं सुने. Abhirami is from Malaysia. How do you guys know I like pink? Abhirami, thank you so much for this wonderful gift. Perfect birthday gift for me. Pink color is my favorite, so और अब ठंड भी आ रही है तो I'm going to use this for sure. Again from Avinash Mukherjee. कितना income tax pay करते हो यार? I haven't spoiled any of the cards with my handwriting. Warm wishes on your 50th birthday. I am not 50 yet, like 25 more years to go. But I think you've sent it for my 50th birthday, जो आगे आने वाला है. So that means you're giving me a hint कि 25 years तक मुझे कार्ड रखना है. मैं definitely रखूंगी. You're really funny and entertaining, I must say, Avinash. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Thank you so much. I love the design. I love the thought. Warm birthday greetings. Thank you so much. And I love this little thing here. And it's pink. That's why I love it the most. That's what he wrote. I haven't spoiled any of the cards with my handwriting. Agreed. This is for 30th September 2012. Have a wonderful life. Happy birthday. This is for this year. And this is for my 50th birthday. Thank you. From UC. UC firstly, and all the others, actually I want to apologize that you guys have sent it since so long and I'm accepting it बहुत late. But I hope you understand what the problem was all about. But yeah, Lucy, thank you so much. Oh, this is extremely cute. Thank you very much. And it'll fit me ekdam properly. Thank you. Lucy, see, I really don't know. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. I'm already feeling angelic. Thank you. Okay, you see, again, these look like very expensive gifts to me. But I asked my people here at India Forums and they say that you are working for yourself. That's a good thing. But I wish you had kept some for yourself also. I think you've sent me like everything. This is a lot. But thank you so much. It's very special to me. Thank you, thank you. And coming from Hong Kong, it is very special to me. All the way from Hong Kong. Thanks. Matlab, you bought me a dress for every occasion. Now I won't have to like open my wardrobe and think कि क्या पहनना है. बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीजें मुझे भेजी है. You see, thank you so much. How many dresses have you bought? मतलब कितने दिन लगे शॉपिंग करने? Oh, so I have to meet Chandanu now for this to complete the picture. You see, I will try my best to meet Chandanu as soon as possible. Ask him to wear the t-shirt. I will wear this t-shirt myself and we'll click a picture and send it to you. How, I don't know. Can I send it through you guys? So I'll do that.
You can also send in your gifts and cards for your favorite celebs at the following address. ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है has just celebrated its success party. टीवी इंडस्ट्री के सभी बड़े एक्टर्स इस पार्टी में शामिल हुए. Let's ask these celebs about their tuning and their relation with their respective producers.
राजन सर को मैं एक ही चीज़ कहूँगा, जो पॉजिटिविटी अगर आप हमारे किसी भी सेट पे आएंगे, जो हमने देखी है हमारे 3 शोज जो अभी देखते हैं, आप कभी किसी भी सेट पे चले जाइए, you'll see a positive attitude. और ये जो पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड और जो पॉजिटिव माहौल है, ये सारा राजन सर से आता है. बिकॉज वो खुद इतने पॉजिटिव हैं, इतने जोवियल पर्सन है, तो वो पूरा पॉजिटिविटी फ्लो करता है सब एक्टर्स में, पूरे सेटअप में. तो माहौल तो बहुत ही अच्छा रहता है. इसीलिए 1000 एपिसोड और इंशाल्लाह हम भी बहुत जल्दी एटलीस्ट हाफ तो करेंगे पहले.
एक ही सेंटेंस में ईस्ट और वेस्ट, राजन सर इज द बेस्ट. राजन सर एक बहुत अच्छे इंसान है और उनका प्रोडक्शन हाउस बहुत अच्छा है. शोज बहुत अच्छे बनते हैं सारे.
कई बार मेरी तबीयत खराब हुई तो राजन सर अंधेरी में रहते थे. मैं मीरा रोड में रहती थी उस वक्त झलक की वजह से. मेरा सेट विदाई का वहीं पे था. मुझे चिकन पॉक्स हो गया था. राजन सर अंधेरी से मीरा रोड मुझे टेडी बियर गिफ्ट करने गए थे.
यू नो राजन सर इज अ टेडी बियर. और राजन सर अगर स्ट्रॉन्ग दिखते हैं ना हम सबको, ही इज सो इमोशनल. कभी वो गुस्सा होते हैं ना तो ऐसे कांपने लगते हैं ना और रोने वाली हालत हो जाती है उनकी. ही इज अ वेरी इमोशनल पर्सन एंड अ वेरी स्वीट पर्सन.
ही इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर्स.
देखिए राजन जी के साथ मेरा रिश्ता बहुत पुराना है.
जो इंडस्ट्री में जो इतने अच्छे हैं, जो इतने परफेक्ट हैं, राजन इज वन ऑफ देम.
आई थिंक सब लोग ही जानते हैं. एवरीबॉडी नोज हाउ हम्बल एंड हाउ डाउन टू अर्थ ही इज. एंड ही इज आल्सो वेरी I think he's very emotional, which is very good for a creative person.
All I can say, he's a very sweet person, humble person, and like how do you say, very down to earth.
That's all we have for today. I hope you all must have liked and enjoyed our show. So don't forget to send us your comments and suggestions at whatsapptv@india-forums.com. We will be back next week with more stars, more gossips and more stories. Till then, goodbye.